You need to make sure your path crosses an open patch or something that you're aiming for. Jerk, hook. Okay, now just really pump it harder. I don't know whether it's still there. Pump it harder, and keep the rod tight, No, quickly, continue jerking. Jerk him out. Is he still there or not? Okay, I'm videoing. Continue, huh? Oh, nice, decent size. It's a Toman. Okay. Wait. I'm videoing and helping you. Okay, he's quite well hooked, but keep tension, huh? Look here. Hook. Hook. Keep it tight. Keep it tight, huh? See the fish. Pump it out. Pump it out there. Hey! Rod low if it goes under the boat. Hey. I'm still taking video. Keep the rod high. The big one is the big one. Wow, you are the luckiest man in the world. Wait, don't do anything.
No, I tighten the drag.
Don't tighten the drag also. Why people bring it closer, they make the drag tighten, not tighten the drag. When the thing goes under the boat, you must put your rod down. You know, if the rod will snap or you will rub your line on the boat. Okay, I try to boga it. Lift his head out of the water. You're really testing the rod. It's quite well hooked. Oops, sorry, I touched your eye. Wait, can you... Don't need to open the bill yet, but just give me some slack. I don't think he will come out. Okay. You're one lucky man.
Oh, it's very big.
It's quite big. Fold his body. Not to drip. Put his face towards me slightly. 1, 2, 3. Smile, 1, 2, 3. Face towards me slightly. Don't drop him. Pump. This is a half run, is it? Yeah, it's a half run. You half run no fight, right?
You don't fight much.
I can't believe nothing. You handle yourself, try. I'll take a photo once it's up. His mouth is open, so it's easy to boga. Havan usually they're very accurate, so they will get hooked quite well. But this one's not hooked very well. It's quite a big Havan. take a picture. Okay, done. One, two, three. Little bit higher. One, two, three. One, two, three. Okay, done.